Hi, welcome to Global Institute of Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking. Today we'll discuss about the digital marketing. Digital marketing has many parts like SEO part, search engine optimization part, also we have a content writing. And digital marketing nowadays, this is the basic need for all the industry, all the people, all the companies. Like we have to promote our business via social medias. So there are many social media, like take example facebook.com, via Twitter, via Instagram and some other account. So if you want to share your profile, if you want to share your company profile about the company website, we need to promote our business via digital marketing. So you can use content writing part also, you can use SEO part, you can use some other part like physical marketing too. So nowadays this is one of the best course in India, in fact in abroad also. So if you have a plan to make your career in digital marketing, that will be really one of the excellent option for you. So this is the small idea. Later we will discuss in a more detail via practical too. Thank you and all the best.